Welcome back, guys. I know many viewers watching this video are wondering if today's topic really happened. Well, yes, it really did. It even featured on Ripley's Believe It or Not. In the middle of the night on July 20th, 2008, thieves stole the entire Coral Spring Beach in Trelawny, Jamaica from off the face of the earth. Considered by many to be the steal of the century, an estimated 500 truckloads of sand was moved through the night, and 13 years later, it's still nowhere to be found. So where did all the sand go?
Officer, fish. I'm a bad fish them here. I'm here train them and I'm here for a long time.
The case had no breakthrough. No arrests were made, and the entire investigation was scrapped, leaving members of the JCF embarrassed once more. In 2011, owners of the stolen beach Felicitas Jamaica claimed they found the sand on two other hotels in western Jamaica, Rio Montego Bay and Grand Palladium Hotel in Lucy. According to them, Rio and Grand Palladium were both in the process of developing beaches on their hotels. They contracted Bedrock Limited to get the sand, and boom! The Coral Bay Beach disappeared. Felicitas had sent spies into both hotels and recorded a video highlighting parts of Rio Montego Bay, which had two completely different colored sand on the beaches. There was mostly brown sand, which was common to the area, but large patches of white sand, which was not from the area, was seen. Men were also seen scattering the sand around the property. But Rio and Grand Palladium both deny this. They claim their beaches were developed in 2007, well before the theft occurred in 2008. What all parties agreed on was that they contracted Bedrock to do the job.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will...
So, we did some digging. With almost no trace on the internet or even telephone number, it was hard to find the Bedrock company, but we think we did. Yes, Bedrock Building and Aggregates Limited is located in Kingston. It has 5 employees and made around $36 million. Now let's think of this logically. If this is the real company and what Felicitas is saying is true that they did steal the sand, how did they do it with just 5 employees? Or what's even worse is, if Rio and Grand Palladium did hire Bedrock to get the sand for the beaches, why would they hire a company of that size? Why hire a company so small? According to Mark Shields, the Deputy Commissioner of Police at the time, you've got the receivers of the stolen sand, or what we believe to be the sand, the trucks themselves, the organizers, and, of course, there is some suspicion that some police were in the collusion with the movers of the sand. So, it seems a lot of high-ranking people were involved in this theft, including the police. Something just doesn't add up, but we just don't know for sure what it is. So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below.